what would happen if you let your inner child take over your art? Here at Draw to Grow, I explore how art can transform, heal, and make us grow. So today I thought we could have a little experiment. I haven't planned this session at all because children don't plan. They just play, they just stay in this particular moment and express themselves freely. So I'm going to let my inner child take over this video, direct it, and tell me anything I need to know from her through art. I'll start with drawing her. First of all, she definitely wants me to try a new palette, and despite me loving pink so much, when I think of her, there's much less pink in who she is. Try this one. I'll draw her as a shape, completely randomly. God, she had, and still has, so much water in her. So many wild emotions. So many layers of emotions. She wishes people didn't call her too sensitive. She wishes she didn't experience shame for her sensitivity. She wishes that everybody would tell her that there's nothing wrong with you. Besides, it's good to be different, but it's scary. Being different is scary. Maybe look at your shape, right? We're looking at the shape, and I feel that this shape is very complicated. It's very expressive, but also it wants to be expanded. So ask your shape, what does your shape want to do? Maybe for some people, they would want to contain themselves. Maybe they want to expand somewhere, or maybe they want to rip a paper. Do whatever feels right. For me, I feel like she wants to expand, and of course she wants to be pink now. As a child, I felt stupid for being so naive in a way. I felt stupid for having so many emotions, so many feelings, for falling in love so madly. And I don't want to be ashamed of feeling big and bright. I want to go beyond shapes, actually. I want to start just mixing things, and that reminded me of my daughter, who teaches me, because I'm always like, oh, shapes, it's so safe to draw shapes. And she just does this, like, and usually it just frees you up so much. I feel like I've gone a slightly different direction now, that I need to come back, because at first when I expressed the shape, I did feel deeply about it. Maybe she needs something else. Maybe... Next question I want to ask my shape, and you can ask yours. What do you need? What do you want and what do you need are different questions. My shape needs a solid base. What's this color? Curious to see here. My phone died, unfortunately, and I have finished the painting. This is what I got. And by the way, we're not finished. We're not finished, guys. Can you see how here I've got all the mixed colors, and out of the whole picture, this looks like the most fun part. It took me all this time to allow myself to be messy, and I usually see it as a sign that I was able to connect to that inner child. But I don't want you to pressure yourself, because this moment will happen for you during the drawing, but don't expect yourself to get into the flow straight away. So just to summarize what we've done, I'm going to talk from my perspective. What I've done so far, I drew a shape that was a representation of the little girl who I was. Then we drew her wants, and then I drew her needs. Obviously for you it will be completely different. Do your own thing, but you will definitely notice how wants of that child are different from needs, and sometimes needs are something that we need to pay closer attention to. But let's continue now. So what we'll do now is we will pick up a magazine, any random magazine. For me it's this one, and I will pick some random words from the magazine that stand out to me, that speak to me. As you can see, I love doing that. And we will glue them to our picture. The words will definitely surprise you if you let them. Some words will contradict what you think. This is my word. Powerlessness, despite saying how this is my base, This is the word that popped up and really, really wanted to go here. And I accept it. I hear her talking. Forgive me my sweating, it's incredibly hot, and I know that if you're in Europe, it's probably even worse than UK. But today I recognized that 8-year-old me, her needs, her wants, I truly was able to connect with her. I think she's the one who will make me realize my wildest dreams. If your inner child took over your brain for a day, what would they do? What would they think and feel? As an adult, what would you be able to give back to them? Please share in comments how was this process for you. We hope to see you next time. Bye.